Well, Jacques, we're at the Babbling Brook. What do you think?
Charlie, it is a very pretty place to be and a nice walk, and we have good company, I see.
We have a babbling
Yes.
woman.
Yes, the neighborhood turns on the creek and turns it off for the winter. And at the end of this short stroll, you have a fountain and a small pond. And this is the Babbling Brook sign coming from the other side. So we're going to turn around here and go back, look at some of the berries, fall colors. It's all great. And then we'll cross this little bridge when we come to it.
Very funny, Charlie.
And then we'll carry on down the path. The colors haven't really turned that much here yet. A lot of green still, and it's a long, slow autumn this year, but we do have some leaves on the ground, so it is on the way.
It is looking good, Charlie. It just depends which trees have turned the fall colors and which ones, those ones on the right, like you see, they're not turning fall colors.
Well, of course not, Jacques. They're evergreens, and here's a nice little kitty. Bye-bye.